Hey guys, today I'm going to be showing you greatest to least. So these are my numbers: 10, 2.5, 0.3, 0.1. So we know 10 is bigger than any number because, 10 is bigger than 5, 10 is bigger than 2, 10 is bigger than 0 and 3, 10 is bigger than 0 and 1. So that'll be our first number. And under the 2.5, there's 2 zeros. So 2 is bigger than zeros, so yeah, and then 5 is bigger than 3 and 1, so that will be our second number, and 3, 0 and 0, so we can't do anything like that. Then we go to our next number, which is 3 and 1, so we're going to be, it's going to be the 1 is last. And that's how you do greatest to least. Thank you for watching. Subscribe. Bye.